One thing that I get asked quite a bit about is that joining round. So with Yogi Bear, let's go ahead and do it together. So I'm going to single crochet into the next 3 stitches on that last round of leg 2. You'll see that I have that first one. Now we want to make sure that the feet are both facing forward. So we need to go to stitch 9 on the first leg. I'm going to just insert my hook and begin crocheting around. So you'll see that I kept leg 2 on the hook and started to crochet into the 9th stitch of leg 1. And now what I'm going to do, you see how they both face forward now? Just tuck that out of the way. And there we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to single crochet all the way around. I'm going to move my stitch marker to the center and it will be the body now. And that's how you join the legs. Let me know what you think.